Rosemary and coconut oil are a powerful combination for improving hair health. This rosemary hair oil recipe only requires two ingredients, and it's quick and easy to make. Heat 1 cup of unrefined extra virgin coconut oil in a saucepan over low heat for 5 minutes, whisking the oil until any lumps have melted. Add 3 teaspoons of dried rosemary while stirring to incorporate, and turn up the heat to medium, continuing to stir the mixture until it begins to form bubbles or foam. Then reduce the heat back to low for 15 minutes to ensure you get all of the scalp and hair growth benefits out of the rosemary. Once cooled and strained, apply the oil to your scalp and hair. Leave it on for 30 to 45 minutes, then wash it out. For best results, leave the oil in overnight and wash it out in the morning. This DIY hair treatment is a great option to nourish and strengthen your hair naturally.